How's it going, everybody? Today I am showing you how to do a super easy budget alignment. It's only going to take tools you already have and a tape measure if you don't have a tape measure. I've just done a bunch of front suspension parts on the Capri, and it's obvious as I drive down the road that the front end alignment is out of whack. So basically I'm going to pin the tape measure under the opposite side wheel at the bottom, bring it up to the same point on this side, and position my head the exact spot at the top middle of the wheel both times that I read the measurement so that it's somewhat accurate. So once I do it to this side, I'm gonna walk over to the other side and do the same from the front. If you spend a lot of time getting good at this method, you can get your car to drive pretty straight. So it's worth the time if you like saving money and are often replacing a couple suspension parts at a time. I just put new tires on here, and I'm still waiting for another control arm and some bushings to come in before I want to pay for a professional alignment. So this is just going to save me some more money, and I mean, it's kind of fun too. Flip this side upside down and kind of slide it underneath the tire there, and then I'll pull it tight from the opposite end. As far over as it'll go. From the top middle here, we're gonna see that it's reading 61 inches and 5/8. So I've gone back and double measured twice on each end just to make sure I'm getting a relatively consistent reading. And on the back side of the front tires, I'm now reading 61 and 7/8. And on the front end of the tires, I've been reading 61 and 5/8. So there is quite a big difference. So I'm going to try and adjust the toe out a little bit more, and hopefully that will give us a smoother ride. After some minor adjustments, we're looking at 61 and 6/8 inches on this end. So we gotta double check the other side, see if we're matching up, and then we should be pretty good to go. Just under 61 and 6/8. Just a quick disclaimer, this will only be as accurate as you are consistent. So you need to make sure that you're reading your measurements with your head at the exact same point on the wheel from both sides. Try and flip the tape measure the same direction, and make sure your air's consistent in both of your tires, because all of these little things can make for a bad alignment. What's that, Oreo? Really? Okay. Good boy.